I want to be able to help people across the country in multiple markets be able to be successful in real estate investing. And it dawned on me, the way to do that is to utilize different techniques in different markets that make it so that you're most successful. And so that turned into something that I'm really excited about to announce to you today, that I am launching a real estate investing school. It's called REI School. And it's a live virtual training designed for people who are working their regular 9 to 5 and are looking to escape the rat race. They're looking to get into something completely different. And so all of the live classes are after work. They're virtual, so you don't have to show up to a physical office. And they're treated just like school. They're treated just like college, basically. It's ironic to me that when we start thinking about getting into real estate investing education, we think that the number one source to go to is YouTube or podcasts or REI clubs. And those are all great places. I've participated in them. I use them. I put information out there. But I recognize some of the common themes among those who started real estate investing and then failed, or started the education process and never went anywhere. And the reality is, it's more than just education that you need. It's training, it's accountability, it's support, it's learning from people who have actually done it before, who can answer questions on the spot and make it so that you are in a classroom environment that supports the desires and the goals that you have for you and your family. That's why I created it as an 8-week course to condense the information for every part of real estate investing there is. And so we have a class for fix and flips. We have a class for wholesaling. We have a class for the BRRRR method. We have a class for how to acquire deals at a discount, how to fund deals using private money. And this is where you can spin up your own private equity company. And so all of these different courses take time to be able to learn. It's funny to me also, when we think about education and our kids, they graduate high school, they go off to school, they pick a discipline and choose that for 4 years to learn before they are equipped to be able to go out into the real world and be successful. Then when we think about real estate education, we just say, I'll just go to YouTube and figure it out. And what ends up happening is nothing gets done. And so instead of taking that mentality of hoping that YouTube will have all the answers for you, instead connect with a team of instructors who are active real estate investors who've done over $100 million worth of real estate transactions over the course of their career. Get into a class where you're going to not only just get content, but action items and resources to help you be successful. It's more than just downloading some information or watching a video. It's much more than that. It's actually education training. It's the same training that, like I said, I use with the team members that join my real estate investing team. I've simply made it available for everyone across the country to be successful in real estate. So if you're interested, remotely interested, I want you to do a couple of things. Number one, go to reischool.com, poke around on there. You can set up a consultation with a success coordinator to be able to help you walk through your success plan. See, the reason we want you to get into a success plan is because not everyone is the same. People are different. They have different personalities. They have different skill sets. They have different risk assessments. They have a lot of different things. They're in different markets. And so certain things don't work with other things. For instance, it would be a really bad idea for someone who's afraid to talk to people, doesn't like to do sales, doesn't want to be on the phone, to get into wholesaling. Well, if the only education you have is wholesaling, then that's the only tool in your toolbox. If that's the only tool in your toolbox, you think that everything is a nail. Instead, diversify that education into what matches your personality, your skill set, and your market. In order to do that, you need a success coordinator listening to who you are, making some assessments, and then dictating this is the right path for you so that you can be successful as fast as possible in real estate investing and not wondering what things might work for you down the line. So go to reischool.com or call 877-77-MOGUL to get started building your real estate empire today.